Welcome to another episode of MetaEarth Academy. I'm Irene and today we are gonna talk about crypto airdrop. We will explore how airdrops work, why they exist, and how projects like MetaEarth use them to reward real users' engagement, not just hype. A crypto airdrop is a way for crypto projects to distribute free tokens directly to users' wallets. It's essentially a reward, but not for nothing. Projects use airdrop to incentivize early support, boost activity, or reward users for completing certain tasks. But here's the key. In Web3, the goal isn't just to build an audience, it's to build a community. Unlike Web2 platforms where users are passive consumers, Web3 communities are active participants in shaping the network. So instead of running ads or giveaways, Web3 projects say, you know what? Use our platform, complete meaningful actions, and we will reward you. That's where airdrops come in. There are different types of airdrops, including standard airdrops, token given to users who sign up, hold a certain token, or interact with the project. Then we have task-based airdrops. Users can complete action like sharing on social media, testing the app, or joining the community. We also have retroactive airdrops, given to users who contributed value before the token even launched, rewarding early believers. Let's talk about MetaEarth's token, MEC. Instead of asking users to invest or speculate, MetaEarth encourages on-chain participation and real-world contributions, and rewards you with MEC tokens. When you complete your MeID KYC and get verified, you earn one permanently staked MEC, which will generate rewards based on the annual APY, which halves every year. When you invite new users to join MetaEarth on do daily check-ins, you earn more rewards. But that's not all. Soon, MetaEarth will launch new airdrop campaigns that will include social media tasks and interactive challenges, giving even more opportunities to earn MEC just by being active. The link to download our MePass app is down in the description. This is how MetaEarth builds real user base. By rewarding action, airdrop aren't just free money. They are part of a broader strategy to grow decentralized ecosystems and reward participation in meaningful ways. So, next time you hear about airdrop, think beyond hype. They are a powerful tool to onboard new users, reward communities, and distribute value more fairly. If you want to explore how this works in real life, download the MetaEarth app, complete your MeID, and start earning MEC token for contributing to the ecosystem. More earning opportunities are coming, so stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and follow MetaEarth for more crypto content related.